So let's do a quick rundown of how to set healthy boundaries for healing. First, we want to identify our needs, reflect on what makes us feel emotionally safe, valued, respected. Consider what drains your energy or causes you distress. Second thing, clearly communicate your boundaries for yourself and for others. Be very direct, very specific about what you will and won't tolerate. Express your needs in a way that really is firm yet compassionate to yourself and to others. We want to reinforce boundaries with action. Setting a boundary is not just about saying it, it's about following through, it's about practice. If someone repeatedly violates your boundaries and you do it too, be prepared to take action. You're going to have to limit contact, walk away, set consequences, and you have to do the same thing for yourself. We also want to stand firm without guilt. This is a key action in order to really get towards that sweet spot in your healing journey. It is normal to feel guilty when setting boundaries, especially if you're always used to putting other people first. You want to remind yourself that you have to protect your peace, and it is not selfish, right? Like you are not selfish, you are preserving yourself. It's necessary in order for you to grow. And then we want to realize that we want to reevaluate what we're doing in our lives as we're moving through this healing journey and adjust it as needed. Your healing journey is ongoing. It will happen until you take your last breath and until that spirit transfers out and into someone else. And we want to make sure that we are getting used to setting boundaries and then shifting as needed. We want to make sure that we are releasing and adjusting as needed when we are growing, because the thing that helps you stay grounded and that helps you feel peaceful on day one will look very different 90 days from now. And it will look very different a year from now. And I don't want us to feel guilty for needing to move very fluidly throughout our healing journey, because we are human, right? We have to have healthy limits to protect our peace and well being. We have to understand when we empower ourselves, it helps us heal, grow, and move forward from pain that we may not have caused, but we have every right to work towards healing. And then we have every right to create boundaries to protect that healing journey that we're on. I don't want you to ever feel like your boundaries somehow should be violated because maybe I was being too harsh. You had to heal. Who you are right now and how you have to work towards healing will look very different in 90 days. And the person that you are right now is the person that you need to be right now in order to get to the 90-day period. So I hope you guys will come back for the next video. We're going to really be talking, we're going to dig a little deeper into communications, because I really want to talk about communication and what it looks like. So we're going to talk about assertive communication versus aggressive communication. And then we're going to do like a little practice. We're going to talk about it and see if we can make it make sense to us. So I hope you guys are good. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.